Hello and welcome to Gadgets 360. Today we are going to unbox Redmi's latest budget smartphone, Redmi 8, which is a direct successor to the Redmi 7. Now we are sure there are a lot of people interested in what this phone has to offer, so let's get started. But before we go ahead, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you know when we post a new video. This is the box of the Redmi 8. The phone's name can be seen on both the sides, while some of the key highlights are printed at the back. We have the 4GB version with us. Let's open the box now. The first thing we see is a paper sleeve. Let's put it aside and check out the phone first. The phone is wrapped in plastic, so let's take it out and boot it up. Now we can put the phone down and take a look at the other things in the box. Inside the sleeve, the first thing we get is a SIM eject tool. Then comes the usual paperwork, and finally a soft TPU case. Moving on, there's a charging brick, and finally a USB Type-C cable. Here's a quick overview of everything that you get inside the box of the Redmi 8. The Redmi 8 sports a 6.22-inch HD Plus display. There's a notch at the top of the screen that houses the phone's 8-megapixel front camera, and there's a Redmi logo on the chin. The volume and power buttons are on the right. The dual nano SIM and microSD tray is on the left. The bottom has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a speaker grill. And finally, there's a microphone and an IR emitter on the top. The Redmi 8 runs on MIUI 10.3.1 based on Android 9 Pie. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 SoC, and our unit here features 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. There are dual rear cameras comprising of a 12-megapixel primary sensor coupled with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. There's a fingerprint sensor for authentication at the back right below the cameras. Under the hood, there's a 5000 mAh battery, and this phone supports up to 18-watt fast charging. And that was our quick unboxing and first look at the Redmi 8. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.